from my God. Nothing you can do, 'cause I'm stuck like glue to my God. I'm sticking to my God like stamp to a letter, like birds of a feather. We stick together. I'm telling you from the start, I won't be torn apart from my God. Nothing you can do can make me untrue to my God. Nothing you can say can take me away from my God. My God, I gave my God my word of honor to be faithful, and I'm gonna, you best be believing, won't be deceiving my God. As a matter of opinion, I think he's tops. My opinion is he's the cream of the crop. As a matter of taste, to be exact, he's my ideal. As a matter of fact, no muscle-bound man can take my hand from my God. And no handsome face can ever take the place of my God. He may not be a movie star, but when it comes to being happy, we are. There's not